What's up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is rinse off your rice just to clean it a little bit. And then the next thing you're gonna do, ahead and ferment this for about 2 days. But I don't like to waste food, so I don't prefer this method, but I see a lot of people doing it, and that's fine, but that's not my preferred method. This, however, is my preferred method. Another way to make it is you could strain off the rice water after letting it sit for about 30 minutes. And you can take that water and let it ferment for 2 days and then go ahead and use it. So the first step to applying is shampooing your hair. Then you go ahead and rinse out all the shampoo. And then you can go ahead and apply your rice water. Make sure it's started from the root to the bottom, and then you go ahead, put on your shower cap. You're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes to an hour, and then you go ahead and rinse, and then you can apply your leave-in conditioner or your regular conditioner. And that's it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Bye.